Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone on Telegram using phone number. There are various ways to add someone. You can either add someone by using their username or directly from your contacts. But today I'm going to show you how to add your friends or anyone by using their phone number. So let's tap into the app. And you have to tap in this contact option, which is at the left bottom corner. Let's tap there, and here you can see all the contacts that have the Telegram. So you can either choose anyone from there, or if you want to add someone new, then you might see a plus icon right at the right top corner. You can tap in there, and by doing that it will be taken to this page. Now all you gotta do is tap in that person's name you wanna add, and his or her last name and the contact number. So let's do that. And the contact number. And all you gotta do is hit that create button, and it's added. And there you have it. You've successfully added your friend on Telegram. Now you can simply enjoy all the features Telegram has to offer. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.